The Forgotten History of Patna City, the real Patna. Hello friend, this is Anand Singh from Patna Wale Bhai. Today I am going to discuss about the forgotten history of Patna city, the real Patna. I won't make it boring for you. So let's start. Modern day Patna is divided into two areas, namely Patna and Patna city. Sometimes we feel that people think of Patna city as second to the main Patna. Patna city. Patna city history dates back to 490 BC in simple term 2500 years. It is one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in the world, which means there are people living here continuously for 2500 years. Patna city or Patliputra was the capital of Mauryan Empire and remained an important city from the Mauryan Empire till the British era. During the Mauryan times, Patna city was surrounded three sides by wall and hog gates and protected by river Ganga. From one side, range of two gates, the west gates and the east gates, still remains in Patna city. Confused? Okay. Paschim Darwaja and Purab Darwaja. I know you are familiar with these names but not their history. Paschim Darwaja was the entry into one of the biggest city of that time, Patna, also known as Patliputra. Even Akbar, when came to Patliputra, used Paschim Darwaja to enter the city. Purab Darwaja was at the biggest trade junction of that time. Marubganj, Mansurganj were the biggest markets and trade center of their times in India, situated near Purab Darwaja. They were established 300 years ago. Another important fact about Marubganj is that they are celebrating Durga Puja for more than 200 years. Famously known as Sri Badi Patan Devi Ji. It was at the time of British that modern day Patna came into existence. Before that, most of the government and private buildings and factories were in Patna city. Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the 10th Singh Guru, was born in Patna city, also known as Patna Sahib, in 1666. Gurudwara Takht Sri Patna Harimandir Sahib marks the site of the house where he was born and spent the first 4 years of his life. Looking at the importance of Marubganj, the British constructed Patna Ghat Railway Station, now Patna Sahib Station. But Maruganj was famous for waterways trading because the market was situated on the bank of Ganga and traders merchants used to come through the river on boats. The history of Patna is in bits and pieces, mostly because most of it is hundred thousands year old, and also because the state government never tried to preserve what left of it. The glorious city of Patliputra is now regarded as merely a small part of Patna, just because people don't know the strong behind it. But I hope now at least you do. And they. Thanks for regarding from Anand Singh.